It is not like that. If you want to teach your child the abacus, you have to join a online or offline classes. If you put little effort every day, child can also learn abacus at home. It is not that much hard. Abacus is what? Abacus is nothing but mental math calculation. If you learn abacus, you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division mentally. So, it completely depends on practice. If you practice more, if you practice every day, you can do your calculation faster with accuracy, right? If you do calculation faster, you can save the time in your examination. Here I will give you the idea how you can make your child abacus practice at home regularly. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to share the strategies that you have to follow to make your child abacus practice by yourself at home, right. So, first step is counting. This is the very basic step of abacus practice. Your child to practice 1 to 100 counting. You can break 1 to 100 numbers into 1 to 20 for some days and 21 to 40 for some days and 41 to 60 for some days and so on. Make sure your child is practicing counting every day, right. Once you have done with 1 to 100 counting, you can learn counting from 100 to 200. You can also break 100 to 200 into 100 to 120 for some days and 121 to 140 for some days. Like this, you set your routine to practice. While you are start practicing abacus, start your practice from the counting, right. Once child will confident in counting, it will be easy for them to practice the worksheet with tool, with abacus tool. In worksheet practice, you can do the flashcard activity. You can make your own flashcard at home, or flashcards are also available in Amazon. You can buy it and give your child to practice, right. Flashcard activity is the great way to practice bead value identification as well. So, next is bead value identification. You can also make bead value identification worksheet. Make the worksheet 5 to 10 questions only. That it may be flashcard activity, it may be bead value identification, it may be draw the beads, right. So, once they have confident enough in doing flashcard activity, bead value identification and draw the bead, then make the worksheets on 1 digit direct sums and let them to practice for some days. Every day 5 to 10 questions. Then you can make the worksheets for 2 digit direct sums, small friend formula, big friend formula and combination formula. But make sure child is practicing every day counting and worksheet. Worksheet only 5 to 10 questions. But in my channel, I have made separate videos for these topics except combination formula. You can check those videos. The links are in the description. When child will be confident in counting and practice the sum with abacus tool, then they can do the third step, that is visualization. What is visualization? You have to solve the sums without abacus tool. Here abacus tool is not allowed to solving the sums. They have to solve the sums mentally, right. Visualization is the important part of the abacus learning. First you practice counting and worksheet practice with abacus tool. When they will be expert in doing the sums with abacus tool, it will be very easy to do with visualization, right. In my upcoming videos, I will make some videos on visualization. So, how they can do the visualization well. So, these are all the steps you have to follow every day. Every day practice is very important. If you follow this practice every day, I will definitely say your child will be very good in mental math calculation. These are the books what I am following to teach my daughter. This is for level 1. This is in level 1 there are 2 books. One is book A and another one is book B. In this book there are plenty of worksheets. You can keep this book with you and make your child to practice and be good in mental math calculation. This is the book from Universal Abacus Magical Math and author is Bhavin Gupta. These books are available in Amazon. You can order these books. I will give you the buying link in the description below. You can check that link out. Here I would like to share my daughter's daily abacus practice. So have a look. What we are going to do, Shino?
We're going to do counting
From?
1 to 100.
Let's start it.
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now we're going to do the worksheets using the Abacus tool.
So go ahead.
Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Answer is 4.
Next.
2 plus 2 minus 1. Answer is 3.
Next.
3 minus 2 plus 1. Answer is 2. 2 minus 1 plus 2. Answer is 3.
Great.
4 minus 3 plus 2. Answer is 3. 1 plus 2 minus 3. Answer is 0. 2 plus 1 plus 1. Answer is 4. 3 plus 1 minus 1. Answer is 3. 4 minus 1 minus 1. Answer is 2. 3 plus 1 minus 2. Answer is 2.
1 plus 2 plus 1.
4.
Next. 2 plus 2 minus 1.
3.
Next. 3 minus 2 plus 1.
2.
Next question. 2 minus 1 plus 2.
3.
Next question. 4 minus 3 plus 2.
3.
Next question. 1 plus 2 minus 3.
0.
Next. 2 plus 1 plus 1.
4.
Next. 3 plus 1 minus 1.
3.
Next. 4 minus 1 minus 1.
2.
Last question, 3 plus 1 minus 2.
2.
If this video is helpful to you, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.